Welcome to Guangdong Weiwang New Material Co., Ltd. The company is located in Foshan City, Guangdong Province. The factory covers a total area of 15,000 square meters. It has more than 100 employees, specializing in hot melt adhesive production RD sales for more than 20 years. The company currently has 5,000 square meters of workshop. 10小时 hot melt glue rod production lines have been established, and 2 hot melt pellet production lines. The daily output is 100 tons, and the annual output can reach more than 7 tons. We have a professional RD team, independent research and development design product formula. We use EVA core raw materials. It has the advantages of environmental protection, high viscosity and no smell. Our company is a high-tech enterprise in Guangdong Province, obtained ISO 9001 Quality Management System certificate. The products have been tested and certified by SGS testing institutions. Every link has a special quality inspection personnel check, ensure that each product meets international standards. Our storage capacity 1 tons daily throughput 300 tons. Adopt efficient and accurate CRM warehouse management system. Cooperate with special line logistics and express delivery to ensure timely and stable delivery. Pioneering and innovation, the pursuit of excellence, customer-first honest service, is always the business philosophy of the company. Dedicated to our customers, provide high quality, excellent price, excellent service.